Socialite by Post Malone. I'm gonna show you the verses, the pre-chorus, the chorus, and the little... Beginning with the verse chord progression, the chords that we're gonna need is just a D. We're gonna need a B minor. Now you can play that B minor like a bar chord like this, or you can play it with just the 4th fret on the G, 3rd fret on the B, and 2nd fret on the bottom E string. That'll work for your B minor. And then we'll move to a G chord. The basic strumming pattern for this song is down, 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 up, up, down, down. And then every once in a while you can add an extra little down, up in between the chords. So you don't absolutely have to do the, but if you do want to do that little lick, then what we'll do when we get to that G chord is we'll go down, 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 up, and then we're gonna go 3 on that E string, and then we're gonna go open on the A, and we'll hammer onto the 2nd fret of that A. And then we're gonna hit an open D string. 3 on E, open on A, hammer on 2 on the A, and then open on D. And then after the verses, we've got a little pre-chorus. And on the pre-chorus, we're gonna be playing an A to a G, back to an A, to an E minor, and then we'll resolve on a G minor. Like our B minor, the G minor is a bar chord, but you can just play the G, B, and E string all at the 3rd fret, and that'll do. It's gonna sound alright, I promise you. But before we put it all together, it's important to know that the strumming pattern for the A chord does switch up. It's just going to be a bunch of down strums for 2 bars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we move to that G with our old strumming pattern. Back to down strums on the A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we move to an E minor here. Now we play our G minor. And it's just a single strum on that G minor. And then from there, we go into the chorus, and thankfully, we've got no new chords, no new strumming pattern. We just switched the order in which we play the chords. So the chord progression is gonna go from a D, to an A, to a B minor, to a G. And then at the end of that, we're just going to play the B minor and the G again, like when he's repeating Socialite. All together, it would sound like this. We'll do that again. Back to the B minor. And the G. This is the verses. So that is all the parts for Socialite, but before you go, just keep in mind that the very end of the song, there is just a single strum on an E minor, right? So it will be on that G, and then it goes to a E minor. So there you go. That's how you play Socialite by Post Malone.